More than 3 million people are unemployed in Germany right now. And what surprised me, even people with good degrees are struggling to find jobs. For years, we kept hearing that Germany needs skilled workers, so naturally, this feels confusing. If companies need people, then why are so many qualified people not getting hired? And if you live in Germany or you are planning to move here, this is something you should understand early. Because the job market today is not the same as it was a few years ago. By the way, if you are new here, I am Shailendra. I have been living in Germany for over 13 years and here I share practical things that helps expat live, work and settle in Germany. In the last months, I have been hearing the same story again and again. I have a degree, I have a experience, I am applying everywhere, but still no reply, only rejections. And after some time, you start thinking, maybe I did something wrong. But in many cases, the problem is not only you. The market itself has changed. Unemployment in Germany has crossed 3 million. That's the highest level in years. And I wanted to see if people here are feeling the same thing. So recently I ran a poll on this channel. I asked a simple question. Has finding a job in Germany become recently harder? Most people said yes. Many said much harder. Only a few said it feels the same as before. So this is not just statistics. People are really experiencing this change right now. Companies are more careful now, hiring takes longer, budgets are tighter, and even good qualifications don't guarantee a job anymore. This doesn't mean Germany has no opportunities, but something important has shifted. Earlier, many people believed if I get a good degree, I will be safe. Today, a degree may only get you into the line, not the job. And the reason is simple. Germany doesn't have one job market. It has many job markets at the same time. Some sectors are still hiring, some are slowing down. Some are cutting jobs. Some companies want perfect German. Some want local experience, some want very specific skills. So the situation feels confusing and many people don't know what really happening. That's why one person finds a job in 2 months and the another struggles for a year. Same country, same qualification, very different results. And this is where many people get confused because we still hear the same sentence everywhere. Germany needs skilled workers. Yes, that is true, but not every field, not every profile, not every time. Germany may need nurses, but not more marketing graduates. Germany may need engineers, but only with certain experience. Germany may need IT people, but not every type of IT anymore. And nobody explains this clearly, so people realize it only after months of job searching. There is another thing people don't talk about openly. Unemployment is still a taboo topic. People show when they get a job, when they get a blue card, when they move to a new apartment, but nobody shows 200 applications, no replies, 6 months of waiting, self doubt behind it. So when you struggle, you think you are the only one, but you are not. More people are facing this now. This is why in 2026 you need to think differently. Instead of asking, is my degree good? You should ask yourself, is my profile needed right now? Do I have the right language level? Am I in the right city? Am I in the right industry? Is this a growing sector or a shrinking one? Sometimes success in Germany comes only after changing strategy. Different role, different company, different city, or starting with a smaller job first. Not because you failed, because the market has changed. Germany is not a bad country for careers, but it is not an easy market anymore. It has become a selective market. Your degree still matters, but your adaptability matters even more now. The people who adjust faster usually find opportunities faster. Tell me honestly in the comments, do you feel the job market in Germany has become harder in the last few years? I really want to hear your experience. It helps others to understand the reality. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you until next time. Bye bye.